I know it's hard to walk away from someone you love. Actually, it's even harder to see them or to watch them walk away from you. Siyempre, itatry mo namang mag-hold on para ipaglaban yung pagmamahal na pinaniniwalaan mo. But there comes a point when you realize that the harder you hold on, the more it hurts. So wala kang magagawa, magle-let go ka na lang. Not because you want to, but because you have to. Because loving them shouldn't mean losing yourself. Pero kahit na pilit kang lumayo, a part of you definitely stays behind. Maiiwan yun sa mga blanco na pinunuan mo. Pinakamabigat yan yung emotional investments, yung mga memorya. The ache of losing someone is not just about their absence, but about the pieces of your soul that feels incomplete without them. May kulang. May kulang na.